I'm at a new habitat. Well, actually, I don't know if it's new for me. Port St. Lucie habitat. I don't know how long it's been around. I think it is fairly new though. But it's my first time going in here, so let's see what they have. That looks more like a 56-inch fan, if not even 60. They have a decent selection of fans here. Nothing that I'm gonna buy though, but looks like this location has potential of getting something neat in every once in a while. So it's definitely worth checking out once every few months. So there you have it. Port St. Lucie habitat ceiling fans. Thanks for watching.